So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple notification. Delete this first, put a button, double click. So let's say the text was click. So the default ID of button was button. So go to rest, global, right click, new image asset. So notification icons. Then next finish. After this register our button. So button. So context. So let's create our notification. So public void create notification, the bracket notification compat dot builder and builder. So our variable name is equal to new notification compat builder, this semicolon. So notification compat was allow easier control over all the flags as well as help constructing the typical notification layouts. So and builder that set content title. So the title of our notification. So let's say STI semicolon and builder that set content text. So the message of our notification. So let's say aim high. So semicolon. So and builder that set small icon r dot drawable dot ic. So the drawable we made a while ago was for this, the image of our notification. So notification is equal to the variable and builder dot build semicolon. So notification manager is equal to so notification manager. So this is how we tell the user that something has happened in the background. So get system service, giving the user feedback for UI events through the registered event listeners. So nm that notify 1 comma notification. So let's make our button clickable. So button, register our button globally. New on click listener. This would be look like this. Then create notification. So that's it. We can run it now to the BlueStacks. So let's just wait for it. So the Gradle was running. You can see it here. So now installing APK. So it was now running in our BlueStacks. So it would be look like this since we are using BlueStacks. So when we click the button, click. So it shows the notification here. So and so the title STI, the message aim high. So the image we made in the drawable here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.